So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can set up iPhone to read text messages out loud. So first of all, open the settings app on your iPhone. Now here tap on accessibility. Here you will see various options. From here, tap on spoken content. Now here you will get these two options. First option is speak selection. If you enable it, then a speak button will appear when you select a text. Let's see how. For this, go back to home screen. Now open the message app. After this, open a chat. Now long press a text. For example, this one. Now here you will see this option called speak. If you tap on it, then this will read the message. Well, there's one more option here, which says speak screen. If you enable it, then this will read whole screen when you swipe down using two fingers. Let's see how. Let's open the message app. Now swipe down using two fingers like this.
Your SMS. Hi. Your SMS. Hi.
And this will read out the message. So this is how you can set up iPhone to read message out loud. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.